If you are invested in Optimus and you lost money along the way, I really do feel bad for you because you were essentially lied to ever since there was a huge dip in the price of Optimus. You have constantly been lied to. And if we take a look at the price chart of OPT3, I mean, it's at 20 cents right now. And we just had an update from DeFi Dude today. We're going to go over what's to come for Optimus. But like I said, I really do feel bad for you guys. I feel like a lot of people who invested in Optimus didn't necessarily know what was going on. They were all about the 1%, 1%, 1% this, and people didn't really understand. And I feel like a lot of people, it was their first time in a rebasing token, and now they kind of see the effects that what this had on their money, on their investment, and of course on the entire project. So today, DeFi Dude made a video and they're going to this OPTX. Keep in mind that they had a DAO. They wanted everybody's feedback. They wanted all of you to have a say in the decision making of Optimus. Apparently, that's gone out the window now. There's not going to be a halving cycle like Bitcoin, and it's already funny enough that they were trying to compare Optimus to Bitcoin, but essentially that's out of the way. They're not having their own DEX anymore as well. They are essentially partnering up with a new DEX. None of this really matters at the end of the day because now they are implementing this OPTX and it's a brand new thing. Essentially what's going to happen now is you're going to have to choose what you want to do in terms of your OPTX holdings. You're going to either have a 0.1% return for a month stake. So if you lock it up for 1 month, you're getting 0.1%. If you lock it up for 3 months, you're getting 0.25%. And if you're locking it up for 6 months, it's a 0.5%. This is all daily returns. And if you lock it up for 1 full year, you get 1% per day, but it's locked up for a full year. And you also are going to get taxed 10% when you do sell. And if you want your money anytime during that staked time or during that locked period and you want it, well, you're going to be taxed 90% of it. So essentially, you shouldn't take out your money if you're locking it in. So this is completely new from what they were essentially saying, what they were trying to do, and now that's OPTX. This was literally released a few hours ago. The price was at 26 cents. Now, obviously, the reaction of that video, nobody is really enjoying that. Nobody wants to lock up their money for a year to get 1% daily. It's not making it deflationary, and DeFi Dude is saying that there's so many utilities for this token. I'm not too sure if he's just too deep in it at this point to really understand what's happening behind his own token. But he's saying that there is now going to be a casino that's going to use the OPTX token, that people can now go and gamble away their money. Awesome utility if you ask me. I mean, if you're gambling your money away and you're promoting a casino to your holders for them to lose money, because as we know, casinos are obviously the ones going to be making money. Sure, you can have the odd holder that makes good money on a casino. It is a casino at the end of the day, and the way a casino operates is, of course, by making money. So he is basically saying there's going to be a massive utility with this casino and people are going to gamble their OPTX token and that they can potentially make $50,000 to $100,000 per day, according to the talks they had with this casino. But I think that something DeFi Dude isn't actually understanding is that it all depends on the volume. And if no one actually uses the casino is not going to make money, and in turn Optimus isn't going to make money. But of course, if there's crazy amounts of people gambling in there and trying to make money and the casino makes money, well, of course Optimus is going to get a percentage of what the casino's profits are. But at the end of the day, this is basically holders' money that they are losing to this casino, and basically Optimus is profiting on that and taking some of that portion of the money to then use it for treasury investments or to do buybacks and burn. You just see that it's an actual loop, and it's literally taking investors' money that they lost to the casino and doing something else with it. So again, I don't know how big of a utility that is, promoting gambling and literally just having a token that you can gamble with. awesome utility if you ask me. Now, something else they did mention is that they are going to partner up with this mining farm facility or something that you're going to be able to use your OPTX to buy hash rate. I mean, there are many other projects that are probably already established and are doing much better in terms of mining as opposed to OPTX. Again, who knows? We're just going to have to wait on more information on that. But to me, it's a much better utility than the casino, but I don't think this is going to make or break Optimus. Now, another thing they say is that they're going to have a tomb fork. We kind of all know how tomb forks went in the last few months. None of them really did so well after everybody caught on to the game. Everybody's caught on to rebase tokens. Optimus, not different from any other. We've seen Titano implement a casino. What happened? Absolutely nothing. I don't see anything else happening with Optimus at this very point. I mean, I'm no longer invested in it. Of course, nothing I say here is financial advice, but in my Discord, I went ahead and I literally said that on November 21st, I am officially out of Optimus. I took all of my money out there. I only had about a $500 stake in Optimus. I saw where everything was going. I mean, we're talking about bots. We're talking about a DAO. We're talking about having cycles. Then we're talking about a new DEX. And then all of a sudden, we're talking about something completely different. So to me, I mean, I was just out at that point, and I know a lot of people, when they buy something, they hold it for dear life, literally, and I just feel bad for those people because obviously I don't see Optimus coming back from any of this. And if we just take a look at a casino, BetSwirl is a casino where you can use some tokens to gamble. Here we have MDB as an example. I'm not bashing MDB or anything, but I just want to show what kind of volume goes on to this particular casino. Now, they did say that Optimus is going to have live dealers. It's going to be a better casino and so on and so forth. But at the end of the day, the message is still the same. If you are losing money on this casino, well, that's how Optimus is profiting. It's basically off of you losing. But if we take a look at BetSwirl and the amount of money that's being generated by this casino, or the amount of bets being generated, we can see that on December 7th, there was about $3,900 wagered on this. On the 8th, there was about $4,500. And as we can see on the 13th, or on the 13th, there was about $130. On the 15th, there's $12. And this is what I mean by it all depends on how much volume this casino can generate, because it's not true that Optimus can make $50,000 to $100 per day if there's just no volume on this casino. And if we take a look at the amount of holders for the OPT3 token now, this was literally almost at 7,000 about a month ago, and now we're below 6,000. But DeFi Dude keeps on saying that the future of Optimus is bullish, it's bullish, it's bullish, and I don't see anything that is bullish on this. Again, you can make your own conclusions, but I feel like though people have just been lied to, and we can see with the price action and when people leaving the project that I don't think this is going anywhere. You can make your own decision for that. Don't let anyone, including myself or anyone in Optimus, influence what you want to do with your own money. You get to make that decision, and at the end of the day, people are going to make money and people are going to lose money, and on which side are you going to be? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts on what's happening with this project, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.